Hello, Paul Hamilton here. Look, we're going to have a look at one of our favourite apps, once again, is Book Creator. And we're just going to have a look at how we can create just a really simple kind of Venn diagram. In this kind of example, we're looking at fiction and non-fiction, and it's just a great strategy, an old strategy, but an effective strategy for comparing and contrasting different things. So I've made in Book Creator, trying to encourage you to use the apps that you already have instead of looking for a Venn diagram app, for example. And it can be just really, really effective as using it as kind of a workbook. So how do we actually create it? So if I go back to my books, it's really, really simple. I'll go to New Book, I'll select Landscape, and all I've done is basically create a shape, move it to where I want it, about the size that I want it. I might make this one a little bit bigger. Go up to my eye, try not to fill it with any colour, but then put a border around it. So in this case, it's just like a light blue. And probably the best way to do is get it the right kind of size, and then simply hold your finger down, copy it, paste, and just overlap it. And what I might do is just change the colour of that second one just so that you can see the difference. And so it's just a really effective way. I've used rectangles instead of circles because I find that I can kind of fit more in the things that are the same in the middle through a rectangle than like a circular one. And then all we have to do at the end is always a good idea with our students is actually lock the different shapes. That way they're not going to move when we put text and so forth on them. So look, really quick tutorial, but it's just a great way of quickly creating a digital Venn diagram that kids can kind of modify their text and rearrange and do some different things as they go along. And I think that's the advantage of doing it digitally, is that we can manipulate and change it really easily than with pen and paper. Paul Hamilton here for iPad Monthly, signing off.